Happy Independence Day. Hopefully you're out celebrating with your friends and family and loved ones. Taking time off from work to celebrate, I think, is very important. This is the birth date of our country, so even more important reason to celebrate. Hopefully you get to do that because we don't get to live forever. And I'm excited because I get to celebrate not paying state income tax. Let me explain, but first let me introduce myself. I'm Tahoe Tony Tuoto. I am the managing broker for eXp Luxury Real Estate right here in the beautiful sunny shores of Lake Tahoe, Nevada, where it is awesome. The weather is great. I love living here. 248 years ago, our founding fathers signed the Declaration of Independence. They were going up against the King of England, a very, very bold move. I mean, here this little ragtag group of 13 colonies are going up against the King of England, the most powerful army in the world. It was a bold ask, but they did it. By the grace of God, we won, and we're very excited. But what inspired these guys? These were wealthy individuals at the time. What inspired them to do this? They believed in freedom, of course. They believed that we shouldn't be serving the king. We have inalienable rights given to us by our Creator. And they didn't believe that we should have to pay such a burdensome amount of taxes to the King of England. Glad they did it. Here we are 248 years later celebrating their efforts. And I'm asking, are you paying a burdensome amount of taxes to your state? In Nevada, we don't pay state income tax. We don't pay state income tax. We don't pay state inheritance tax. We don't have a capital gains tax. It's a great place to live. And it's not just about the taxes. Like with the founders, it wasn't just about overburden of taxes, not being able to generate wealth for their families. It was about the lifestyle too, of freedom. So in Nevada, this is a great place to live. We have such amazing weather. It's gonna be 77 degrees today. How hot is it gonna be where you are today? Over 100? 79 degrees is perfect. That's what summers in Tahoe are all about. Look at it, it's beautiful. We can go boating, we can go hiking, we can go biking. East Shore Trail is right in front of me. There's a beautiful trail right along East Shore, Nevada. I've got a video on that. It's awesome. Check it out. So it's not just about saving money here. It's also an amazing lifestyle. The Reno Tahoe Airport is 35 minutes away. You can go anywhere in the world. It's fantastic. But if you do want to save money on taxes, let's talk about that. Now, not paying state income tax as a Nevada resident is easy. Leaving the state you're in, especially California. I have clients from Massachusetts, New York, Illinois, all these high-paying states. They're looking to come to a no state income tax state, especially Nevada. So if you're coming from California, that's where most of my clients are coming from, and you're paying 12.3 or 12.6%, whatever it is. I mean, think about how much money that is over 10 years, that your money that you earn, and state of Nevada wants to keep that money from you. I mean, it's enough to buy a vacation home, put all your kids through college, support charities like crazy, but instead you're paying it to the state of California. So what do you have to do to become a Nevada resident, right? It's not as easy as just buying a house. I can help you with that. That's my specialty. But also I have a group of lawyers and state attorneys who can help you make that move, because the California Franchise Tax Board is going to come after you. If you're a high net worth individual, it's not as easy as just buying a house here and saying, now I'm a resident. There's a whole process that you want to do to guarantee that you can do that. So if you need some help with that, reach out to me. I want to help you. That's what I do. I've got these estate attorneys. They like to help people as well. They're Nevada residents and they're enjoying that freedom as well. So if you want to get the freedom from having to pay state income tax, reach out to me, message me, call me, whatever your preferred method of communication is. I respond. And if you're thinking about making a move to Nevada in 6 weeks, 6 months, or 6 days, reach out to me. I'll help you out. That's what I do. And I guarantee your move will be the best real estate experience you have. So please enjoy the 4th of July. Happy Independence Day. Appreciate this time off. And hopefully someday you can appreciate the joy of no state income tax.